Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing review and we'll even test them out right now on my HiGiant 12-inch flashlights. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review. You can use these for traffic, you can use these if you're just hunting or just outdoors or fishing, literally for any activity where you would need a flashlight. So let's go ahead and take a look. Some instructions. The actual one, and it does come with two. Metal clip, a design here just to make it easier to hold. That's probably where we'll screw in these right here. And then down here, yep, it was 3 AAA batteries on each one. So let me get some batteries, we'll screw them in, and then we'll test them out outside. The battery installation was very simple. We literally just popped the 3 AAA batteries in there and then screwed it back on. Install this, but I have to screw this on here. There we go. Cool, this does look like it extends. All right. Looks like it's getting some, so let's go ahead and test it out, and we'll do this one as well. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and fire these up. Oh, very, very cool. It should have 4 different colors. It should be red, blue, green, and white, and then there will be 2 variations of red. So let's check it out. Oh, there we go. There's a white, blue, green, red again. Let's see this. So we're ready for takeoff. You could use these if you want them just for nighttime, just to be able to see. You can do that. I think my batteries might be a little low on this one, but they look really good on this one. Very, very cool flashlights. And the one thing that I will point out, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but this part actually extends, which might be the reason why this is a little brighter. But if you extend it, it'll be like pointing more specific to where you want. If you push it back in, it'll open up the light a little bit more. So it'll cover more ground, more specific right there, and then more of an angle right there. So very, very cool lights. So if you're looking for some pretty good flashlights, traffic, for outdoors, for any kind of those activities, definitely take a look at these, check these out. Based on everything that I see here, I would recommend these.